Oh, there's some shape there. Good piece of fielding too. Nice start. So they might... Oh, hard for 4. Pummeled down the ground by Finn Allen. He's underweight. First boundary for New Zealand. Pulls his length back. That is a better length as well. Good bounce. Couple of dots to finish the first over. Oh, that's crunch through cover for 4. Sounded good off the bat from Conway, his first boundary.
Yeah, there's plenty of space.
Oh, he goes short. Slippers come out just a short third. Ball. Oh, it's a swing and a miss. Well bowled. Pace off that one. Oh, crunch. Oh, that's gone miles. Up on top of the bank. Might have been over out of the ground. Oh, crunch. No fielder there. That's bigger than the last. Back to back. And that is... Oh, that's a beauty. That's the beauty. Very good in Hamilton. Oh, he's gone down. Got nothing over here, Conway. This will be out. Babarazam takes an easy catch. So you've got to be able to play like an opener because you might be in the first over. It's cut away, can't beat point.
Early on, if you go with the 4 to 6 meters, it's difficult for the batsman. Hamilton in Auckland, it is always difficult for the bowler, but again, you have to.
It's a good over.
Oh, wow. That's gone into the crowd, and what a catch! What a catch! Chair. Just got to stop bowling to Finn Allen there. I mean, it's like edge over the top. That'll go for 4.
Oh, the frustration.
Bang! He's gone again. Full and straight, and Finn Allen is destroying Kookaburra. This is so good. Finn Allen is absolute. Nawaz, the cusp. Oh, straight past the bat. Thanks here. It's good. That's hit in the air, but it's safe enough. One bounce. Well, they're just a team that like to know what's in front of them, scoring shots. Oh, he's got no trouble there. That's straight down the ground and out. Out of the ground. Come on, Wayne. Get the box up. That's gone again. And I think this one has stayed in the ground, has it? Oh, yes, up in the shoot. Full toss, dispatched. Well, of all the places you can snip along. Oh, that's better. And there's a short ball. It's a little appetite. That's an edge, and it flies away to the boundary. Seifert.
Oh, what bowled. That's quality from Zaman. Allen went after it, just got enough on it. Pace off. That's gone the distance. That's got air miles on it. Good from Finn Allen. That's his 8th maximum. Oh, it's gone as well. That's up on the bank. Oh, put down. You're missing length here in Dunedin. Oh, yes, that's out of the middle. That's gone many a mile. And now 100 up. 100 partnership for these two. Oh, it was in the slot too. Oh, he finished. Oh, crunched. Gone for 6 more. That's pummeled. Most 6s by a New Zealander in T20 cricket. Crunched. Crunch. Has he done it? Yes, he has. That is a punishing T20 100 from Finn Allen, laced with power. Oh, Seifert's gone up. He wants a bit of the action too. Has that gone all the way? You betcha. Oh, short. Now it's up in the air. Should be out. Should be out. Is out. Well bowled by Wazing. Good innings from Seifert comes to an end. That swung away from Mitchell. Found the gap. Yes, he has. Well, didn't take a couple of balls. He's after it right from the start, Daryl. Oh, it's nicely played. Oh, that could be in trouble. Could be in trouble. Oh, it's gone for 6. It's off the toe of the bat. Oh, that's better. That's bigger. Up into the stand. Touch short. That's number 13 for the right-hander. Goes wide again. And it's a great result. It's in the air and out. Just tried to guide it around the corner, got a top edge. And the end of Daryl Mitchell. Dot to finish. End of
On here. And he does. And that one's up on the bank. 6 number 14 for Allen. And now he has that record all to himself. Finn Allen's had another out of the ground. And it's a dot ball to finish for Wasim. Oh, it can't be. Surely no, he's in. That should go to the boundary for 4, does. Fair races along. Phillips. Got a full toss and he's sent it into the side screen for 6. 16-6. Oh, and he's chopped on. Disappointing way to finish for Finn Allen. Oh, not. That one's out of the ground. Right over the top of the score. That's just come off the leading edge and that's gone. Wasim takes the catch. Chapman goes. It was a short stay. Faced just 2. Nicely played. Off the mark with a 4. Mitch Santner straight into his work. And to the lefty, Harris Ralph, prior ball, but that one's right on. Oh, this is made for that. Good 2 here. Have to hurry. No, he's gone. He's gone, I think. Santner's short of his ground. I'm pretty sure of it. They're going to have a look upstairs. That was a great piece of work. Straight up. May fall safely here. Naeem coming in. Oh, that is a super catch. Just been talking about him. He's the best on ground in the last ball. Should just be 1. It will be 1, but with that 1 run.
Well supported throughout that order as well. And for Pakistan to win this game, this will be their highest successful chase. So it is going to be a big job for Pakistan, something they've never done before, chase 225 runs for victory.
They're underway. He's at that one, all right. No mistiming there. Just 4 though. It's a good stop. Again, not going to go for 6, but similar boundary. Very strong. It's a lovely cover drive. Can't get it through. Interesting to see what sort of pace. What's the pitch like? Oh no. Can we blame us for that one? Oh, shot. Yeah. Thought about it, square leg for a moment and then forgot it. Slow ball, it's going to work for him. Really good slow ball, a little bit of communication there. Takes it inches off the ground. Picked up. Plonked over the onside. Good intelligent stroke, known as plenty of open spaces. Oh, just goes past Sodi and away for 4. He's got that ball there, which slides in. Bam, that sounded really good off the back, didn't it? Yeah, it's gone all the way.
Henry is pummeled. Won't go all the way. A couple of bounces to the rope though, and that's another 4, and things are starting to heat up here. Triggers the pinnacle of the game, but that is the reality, and that is a reality check as well. Straight down the ground for 4. Oh, he's bowling right on the wide line, smart. Yeah, it's gone. That's part of the equipment. Straight off the edge, straight into Seifert gloves. Santner. Oh, he's tried to tee off and he's done it pretty well. That's up onto the bank for 6. Tries to slice this. Oh, and he does. He's left them sprawling. It's gone right through the middle of 2. And he's teed off on that. Has it gone all the way? No, one bounce over the rope. That's straight down the ground. And is that one bounce or has that gone all the way? One bounce for.
Well, it's
Oh, so. Short ball. Good. Some good heat as well from Ferguson. It's lofted over cover, and one bounce over the boundary. It's a fine shot from Bubba. That one's straight up. Underneath this is Mitch Santner, takes it. Lockie Ferguson. And his arm just leaps. Short answer is yes, but misses that, and boy oh boy has that stayed hit. Oh, that is gorgeous. Oh, and that is absolutely... Oh, he's got plenty of it. Maybe not quite enough, though. Tough catch taken. Glenn...
Oh, Sats on that boy.
Single. Oh, no, they won't. Direct hit will get him. Santner, how about it? Perfect time for some forward defend. On 49 and make it 50. He is a batting machine, babarazam, his 36th half century.
Lovely shot. What? Skips into the fence. He's a class act. Yeah, hasn't quite hit that, but he's placed it well. No, he hit it all right. No, I thought he dreadfully mistimed it. Got back in the box. Hasn't quite placed this though. Good catch. Well taken, Phillips. He's lightning over the ground. Where's this place? Behind square. Don't think this is hit well enough for 6. I spoke too. Oh, here's another one. Here's another one. Yep. Oh. Change up. Got a quicker variety. Straight over the top. He said he had a look at it for a wee while. A lot of top spin. There you go. Far behind square, yep. It was far. Edge and taken. Good start to the final. And that'll do it.